You close the damper on your fireplace and you think everything's fine. Think again! Your heat and air conditioning dollars are going up the chimney all year long. Dampers were never even designed to seal your chimney against the weather or keep out insects or odors. But now there's Chimney Guard, the quick, inexpensive solution that fits any size chimney, designed to seal your home from the weather and save you hundreds of dollars a year. The secret is this tough yet supple polymer, creating air pockets that fully insulate. Chimney Guard inflates and contracts so it's easy to install and easy to remove, with slots that accommodate any size lever or damper control. Anyone can install Chimney Guard. You just inflate it a little bit, push it up into the firebox with the included T-bar, and finish inflating. You know you need Chimney Guard in the winter, but you can face bigger utility bills in the summer. Air conditioners use forced air, which is directed right up your chimney even if the damper is closed. These streamers prove what homeowners already know. A drafty fireplace is a drafty fireplace, no matter what the season. And where the weather can get in, so can bugs and odors.
During the summer, on the damp, windy days, I've noticed a sooty smell coming from the fireplace. But after I installed Chimney Guard, the odor was gone.
With Chimney Guard, you get an airtight, insulated seal that prevents the flow of air up and down your chimney all year long. Order your Chimney Guard today. Start saving money on your air conditioning and heating bills. Order your Chimney Guard for just $19.99. And when you order today, ask about the cordless powered air pump. Inflate your Chimney Guard and other inflatables quick and easy. The incredible Chimney Guard is not available in stores, so call or click now to order.